What is the difference between Goodnite and other anti-snore pillows? There are many anti-snore products on the market, and they all have the same working principle: lifting the head by inflating an air chamber inside the pillow. Let's take a deeper look into the working principle of a lifting pillow to understand the fundamental difference to Goodnite. Here is an example of a lifting pillow. The water bottle with the red stripe will simulate the human head. As you can see, the air bladder inflates and the object is elevated. In the real world, it means the head is tilted with the chin moving toward the chest. This head movement narrows the upper airways as illustrated in the picture with the plastic tube. Now let's take a look at the working principle of Goodnite. First, the Goodnite has 6 air bladders, of which one is inflated depending on the head position on the pillow. Internal sensors are measuring the exact head position on the pillow. The resulting action of the head on the pillow is a rotational move. Rotating the head to the side straightens the vibrating tissues in the upper airways, and snoring comes to an end. You can experience this in a simulation on your own. Look straight and generate the typical snoring sound. Now rotate your head to the side and try it again. You will find that it's more difficult to generate the sound if the head is rotated. Goodnite does not change the body position and so does not disturb deep sleep. Goodnite is the only anti-snore pillow which rotates the head to the side to reduce or stop snoring.